Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs. So, yeah, sa title, ang nakalagay, those in separation. Tingnan natin. Ano na ba ang meron? Iniisip ka pa ba ni person? Okay, iniisip ka pa ba? And let's see what is their next action. Okay, those in separation, tingnan natin kung iniisip ka ba ni person and what is their next action towards you. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating sa ating mga charms, okay? Charms and sa ating mga pang-protect o sa evil eye na ibinabato, okay? So, ito yung ating cord cutting, yung pangtanggal ng alat, pangtanggal ng MALAS, so, diba? And itong ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet, okay? So, good for money, good for love, connections. Meron tong citrine stone, okay? So, si citrine is the money magnet, okay? And syempre, itong ating granter necklace. So, si granter yung taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest. And, yeah, available din yung ating mga pang-protection from evil eye. So, we do have ring. Okay, yung ring natin is adjustable. Meron din tayong necklace and bracelet. Okay, so, and yung atin pong, tawag dyan, cleansing and recharging kit. Yes, they're all available. Okay, just message me sa akin pong FB page. Okay, so air signs. Let's see. Air signs in separation. Ang tanong, iniisip ka ba ni person mo ngayon? And what is their next action towards you? So, sino ba to? Sino to air sign? Sino siya? Para alam mong siya ito na ating babasahin. Okay? Chariot in reversed. Hindi ka pa nakaka-move on from them. Hindi pa. Or pwedeng sila. Okay, the chariot in reverse could be a Cancerian. And the Four of Wands. Yung iba po sa kanila, pwedeng alam nyo na may kakonect ng iba ngayon. Alam nyo na may kakonect. Okay, so hindi mo matanggap, oo. Tingnan natin. Iniisip ka pa rin ba ng taong to, air sign? Iniisip ka pa rin ba niya? Iniisip ka pa ba niya? The Emperor in reversed. The Knight of Wands in reversed. It's saying no. Okay. The Emperor in reverse and the Knight of Wands in reverse. We have here Aries. Ang daming fire sign dito. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, nakuha ko dito is like self-centered person. May chance po na hindi ka na iniisip, hindi ka na gano'n na parang tawag dyan, pinag-focusan kasi pwedeng yun nga, may iba sa kanila talaga, meron ng kakonek, meron ng karelasyon. Iba sa inyo, kailangan nyo malaman na yung connection na meron sila ngayon is hindi ganun ka-stable. Hindi rin ganun ka-stable. Okay? So, what is their next action towards you? Kahit hindi ka nila iniisip, meron ba? May next action ba? The Four of Cups. The Four of Cups. So, ang dami. May nakita tayo Justice in reversed. So, Four of Cups, why? And the Seven of Swords in reversed. The Hermit. So, nandito, wala ako nakikitang energy ng pwedeng gumawa ng communication or magparamdam sa'yo. Okay? Sabihin nating blessing in disguise na yon kung hindi sila gagawa ng action towards you. Okay? Atin ang tanggapin yun. Kasi, basta kanila, kita naman natin na hindi talaga magandang kakonek. It's like a blessing na talagang nawala na sa'yo tong taong to. Oo. Sa ayaw mo man. Okay? Ayaw mo man at gusto. So, yeah, yun ang aking nakikita. Now, kayo ay magkahiwalay. Blessing in disguise, I think. Okay, yung situation nyo sa ngayon. Pagdating sa'yo, syempre. So, next. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, fire signs in separation. Let's see. Who is this? Anong meron sa kanya para alam mo na siya itong ating babasahin? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa kanya? Fire signs. The Five of Cups. So, a lot of disappointments. Could be a water sign. What's that? Five of Cups. Some of you hindi pa rin nakaka-move on. The Lover's Universe. So, maraming disappointing na binigay. Disappointing. Disappointments na ibinigay sa'yo itong taong to. Okay? Could be a Gemini. And the water sign. A lot of disappointments. Hindi pa nakaka-move on yung iba. Okay. Two of Pentacles. So, they're a juggler. I think they're a juggler. Madalas sabihin natin hindi ka kayang i-prioritize ng tao. Lagi kang option. Feeling mo lagi kang option pagdating sa kanya. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng namili to. Okay, iba sa kanila. Hindi po para sa lahat pero parang namili siya. Meron siyang pinili, pwedeng ikaw yung iniwan at may pinili, may ganyan. So, let's see. Iniisip ka ba ng taong to ngayon? Iniisip ka ba niya fire signs? Oh, the Nine of Swords. Meron, may pag-iisip. Why? Justice. Uy, gusto nitong makipag-ayos. Gusto niya makipag-ayos, fire signs. So, tingnan natin. Anong next action niya? Anong next action nitong taong to towards you? The Sun in reverse. They don't know why. They don't know what. They don't know how. Kung paano. Ano bang gagawin lang next action sa inyo? They're confused. They're sad. Yeah, Page of Cups in reverse. Nandun yung hiya. Okay? Nandun yung wala silang magawa sa sitwasyon. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, specific. Pwedeng ikaw ang lumayo sa kanya. Ikaw yung lumayo. Ito, merong Sun in reverse. Could be your energy. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw yung lumayo sa kanya and hindi niya alam kung paano ka lalapitan, anong gagawin niya. Yung iba sa kanila, pwedeng hindi nila alam kung paano magsosorry sa'yo. Pero gusto nila makipag-ayos. Gusto nila maayos yung inyo. Kung ano man, I don't know. So, there. So, merong Leo, Libra, Gemini. Sandali lang po. Sandali lang. Okay. So, next is water signs. So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see. Water signs in separation. Tingnan natin kung iniisip ka pa ba ni person and what is their next action. Okay? So, sino ba to? Para alam mo na siya, itong ating babasahin. Sino ba siya? Okay, the Eight of Wands. What's with that Eight of Wands? Some of you, pwedeng nakikipag-communicate sa ito ngayon. Hindi naman sinabing kapag separation is nandyan, hindi na kayo pwede mag-usap. Pwede nakakausap mo, open yung line of communication ng isa't isa para sa isa't isa. Okay, pero tingnan natin, ano tong Eight of Wands? Yeah, the Tower. Iba po sa inyo pwedeng yes, separated o separation is nandyan. Pero nandun pa rin, open pa rin yung line of communication. Okay? Let's see. Let's see. Iniisip ka ba? Iniisip ka ba niya? Knight of Pentacles inversed and the Ace of Wands. For me, yeah, they're thinking of you. Wala nga, parang limitado nga lang. Okay, limitado lang. Kasi parang ano, yun nga, the separation itself. Yun ang boundaries na meron sa inyo. Yun yung sabihin nating limits. Okay? Gusto ng taong to na magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos. The Ace of Wands, a new beginning. Parang ganyan. So, will they, sabihin nating gumawa, no, ng actions? Will they take actions? What's their next action? What is their next action towards you, water signs? What is their next action? The Six of Swords reversed. And the Three of Wands reversed. Yeah, may boundaries dito. May limits. Okay, so pwedeng nahihirapan itong taong to na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto niyang gawin sa inyong connection kasi yun nga, kayo ay magkahiwalay. Communication lang ang nakikita ko rito. Okay, pero gusto nito makipag-ayos. Ayan, oh. Hindi ka nito kaya or gusto na bitawan. Okay, isa na yan sa rason kung bakit hindi siya totally nawawala. Okay, kahit separated na kayo, meron pa rin communication or hindi. Kung hindi man po consistent ang communication, open pa rin yung line of communication. Okay, so hindi ko naman sinabi rin na kung open ang line of communication nyo kahit kayo ay magkahiwalay, ay baka meron pang something. Hindi po lahat. Okay, kanya-kanya yun. Yes. Yep. Kasi po, hindi naman po niya ako binablock baka po, ganto, ganyan. Kasi, yun parang papaasahin ka sa mga ganun. Like, hindi po naman po ako binlock pero magkahiwalay kami, pero hindi niya ako binablock. Diba? Doon tayo umaasa sa mga ganyan. So, again, hindi lahat, okay, na nakikita ko dito na gusto makipag-ayos, isa lahat ang intention. Yung iba, kaya hindi po kayo binablock or whatsoever, kahit kayo separated na, sabihin nating nasa option pa rin kayo. Nasa listahan pa rin. Okay? Hindi kayo totally binablock or iniaalis ng tao. Wala pong emosyon. Okay? That is practicality. Yeah. Pero ito, nakikita ko dito, may kagustuhan itong taong to na ayusin Meron ding cup. Meaning, may emosyon, may intention pa rin itong taong to na maging okay kayo. Yeah. So, specific kata to. So, sa mga naka-resonate, well, okay. Next. Earth signs. Ba't ba ganito? Parang lumbay na lumbay. Okay, so, Earth signs. Okay, earth signs in separation. Earth signs in separation. Let's see kung iniisip ka pa ba niya. And what is their next action? Okay. So, sino ba to earth signs? Sino siya? The Seven of Wands. Pwedeng binlock ka. There's blocking here. Okay. Or there's tension. What's with that Seven of Wands? Pwedeng nilalayuan ka na, iniiwasan ka na, or yeah, pwede mong i-connect sa sarili mo. Okay, kung hindi naman siya to, pwedeng ikaw to. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Number 7 could be significant. Okay. So, number 7 and number 6 could be significant because of this. Six of Swords and the Six of Cups. So, Ang nakikita ko dito sa taong to, yung iba dito pwedeng nag-expect ka pa rin from them. Yeah, hindi yun lahat. Okay. There's blockages, pero may pag-expect, may paghihintay akong nakikita. I'm hearing nag-invest. The world. Pwedeng malayo sa'yo ito physically. The Eight of Cups universe. Nagkaroon kayo ng taong ito ng maraming on-off. Or kayo itong parang sanay na sa nangyaring on-off sa inyo. Okay? So, even though there's blockages, it's like, okay, I'll wait for him or her. Kasi alam ko naman na pwedeng bumalik. I-unblock din naman niya ako. Parang may ganon na energy. Let's see. Iniisip ka pa ba ng taong to ngayon? Lovers in reverse. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Oh no. It's saying no. Yeah, it's saying no. Tingnan natin why. Bakit hindi kanya iniisip? Ten of Pentacles. Yung iba sa kanila, pwedeng focus nila is career or their money in general. Or could be another connection. Another connection na. Okay, so yeah, justice. Okay, so parang iba sa inyo, kung ikaw is nag-expect pa rin from the person, maybe talagang matagal ka na nag-expect. Pwedeng vice versa po, ha? Or flip yung energy. Some of you, ikaw itong cross-watcher na binlock ni Earth sign. Okay? Meron pa ba si Earth sign na pag-iisip pagdating sa'yo? Wala. Kasi you're focusing more on their career and their money or kung ano man. Okay? So, mga cross-watchers, yes. Magbabanggit lang po ako ng cross-watcher kung may nararamdaman akong talagang for cross-watchers. Okay? So, isang sign nyo na pwede. Okay. Pero kung nakaka-resonate ka naman, kahit hindi ko sabihin, go. Okay lang. So, what is their next action? Strength. So, talagang energy ng pagbablock. Okay? The strength. And the Knight of Cups in reversed. The Star. Oh, this person is healing. Or maybe Earth sign is healing from you, or cross-watchers. Okay, this is maybe cutting you. Cutting the situation talaga. It's like, okay, nilalabanan niya yung separation. Hindi niya parang, ang tawag dito, kinakawawa yung sarili nila. Mga ganyang bagay-bagay. Okay? Kasi marami naman talagang pwedeng pagkaabalahan eh. Yun ang naririnig ko from them. Okay, iba sa inyo, could be an Earth sign din ang pwedeng kaparehan ninyo. Okay? So, mas gugustuhin niya na maging okay kaysa maging kawawa or parang feeling nila is left out. Parang ganyan. No? Masyadong maraming gagawin, masyadong maraming pwede pang gawin outside this connection. Parang ganyan. Okay, ito practical, I think. So, we have here Leo, Earth sign. So, madaming Earth sign dito. Like you, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Meron din ditong Gemini. Another Earth and Fire. Okay. So, kuha tayo. Dito. Sa ating ang tawag dyan. Sa mga hindi Oh, 'di ba? Hindi nag-aabang ng huli na reading. So, ang ating charm reading talaga nilalagay ko sa huli. Inuuna ko yung mga reading like sa tarot. So, tingnan natin. This is for the collectives. Okay? So, it's up to you kung paano mo i-connect yung sarili mo sa ating mga makukuhang charm. Okay? Collectives. Collectives. Okay. Collectives. Okay, so enough na yan. Let's see. Okay. So, meron ditong Tree of Life. O, diba? The Tree of Life. Pwedeng may mga pagbabago na nangyayari sa'yo. There could be may nangyaring changes or ending sa part mo. Mga ganyan. So, yeah. The separation itself, no? So, yung ganito na sign or ganito na anyway. So, paano mo nga ma-i-connect yung sarili mo sa ganito? Okay. So, maybe the reading is for you. Okay. A rocking horse. Star. Blue star. A key. With a heart. Feather. Okay. Pwedeng meron kang ibon na inaalagaan. Bakit ganyan? Oo, so, wag nga. So, feather. Pwedeng meron ka makikitang feather. Maya-maya. Or pwedeng may nakita kang mga feather na unusual na tawag dyan, lugar. Tapos makakakita ka ng feather. Evil eye protection. A heart. Gloves. A letter E. Okay, letter E could be specific. Significant. Could be significant. A leaf. A crucifix. A moon. A crescent moon. Christmas wreath. Another key with a heart. A note. A flower. And the seashell. So there. Yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget, again, to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yun pong ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Pakihanap na lang po if you're watching sa YT. Okay, so again, thank you. Goodbye.